سرای کلی لباسی فسان همش ناس هنگام با مکتب ده همه کسا خب نگرتون درس دیگر میریم.
Akbar Ali Idolmasov doesn't know how to read or write, but he spends much of his time promoting knowledge. He urges his fellow members of the Roma community in this southern village in Tajikistan to get an education. There are more than 3,000 Roma living in Maxim Gorky village and the neighboring area. Some 280 are school-aged children. Authorities said their attempt to place the children in schools in other villages didn't work. The Roma children found it difficult to mix with others. Idolmasov built a new family compound with several buildings. It cost him the equivalent of $50,000, a fortune here. Then he decided to convert the buildings into a school.
دیدم که خلق به خط سواد بود من گفتم که بیا همین کلمو اجازه گرفتم و گفتم که همین خونه‌های من مکتب میسپارم 5-6 حولی هستن جدا خونه.
Now some 60 children study in this school in the morning shift, and in the afternoon some 30 adults attend special classes. Even during school holidays, Idolmasov, with some young students for support, makes his rounds to get people to go to school.
خونه با همش زاو دوران که خونه میگفتن.
Twin sisters Fatima and Zahro are 8 years old. They started school last September. They were among the first group of Roma children here going to school instead of begging on the streets. They dream of having careers. But many here still believe in preserving old customs. Kizbas Jovanova has 7 mirrors on the wall, one for each of her sons, according to a Roma custom. She says Roma traditions should not be lost despite the changes in the wider world. Jovanova says Roma people have traditionally made a living by begging. But Tajik law bans begging by children. There's also a law on parental responsibilities, but no Roma parent is known to have been prosecuted. Local authorities say many in the Roma community are gradually dropping old traditions. Ismailova says that begging is no longer the main source of Roma income. They are now more involved in farming. She agrees with Idolmasov that education is the key to a better life.